all these things. Now, with respect to two-dimensional, all the diagrams what we have seen detailedly is two-dimensional: triangle, circle, square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium. Okay, so all this two-dimensional we have seen. We will try to do some problems in the two-dimensional diagrams. Two-dimensional diagrams. Three-dimensional is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. All this will come in cuboid. Okay, in three-dimensional. Find the maximum distance between 2 points on the perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle is there. Okay, rectangle garden is there. Find the maximum distance between 2 points. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is called base. This is called height. Sometimes breadth and width. Okay, this is sometimes called width, and it can also be called as breadth. This is a garden. This is a garden. What we are supposed to do? Maximum distance between 2 points on the perimeter. The outer surface is called perimeter. Outer one is called perimeter. Okay. So maximum distance between 2 points on the perimeter. Maximum distance means it is diagonal only. It is diagonal only. Okay. They have given the breadth and width. What is the value of breadth and width they have given? So length is, this is also called length, which is 100 meters, and breadth is called 50 meters. Okay, it can, if it is called length, then it should be breadth. Okay, something like that. Now we are supposed to find the diagonal. We are supposed to find the diagonal. Okay, if this is 50, the opposite side also 50. And this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse, diagonal, I will take D. Diagonal equal to square root of, okay, base square plus height square. So square root of base square, 100 square, and height square is 50 square. Now we are having this as 10,000 plus 2500. This is 12,500. 125 square root is 225 only. We will have square root 15. 125 we have to find. Okay, we have to find. 00 you can take it out. Square root of 125. 00, 100 square root is 10. Okay, and this 125, what is the square root? 11 11s are 121. Between 11 and 12 it will come. You find the decimal value and find out the final answer. Okay, this is about diagonal. This is the second question. This is the second question. A lawn is in the form of rectangle. Lawn means a garden. Okay, lawn means a garden. You should teach me. These words are very familiar to you. A lawn is in the form of a rectangle, having its sides in the ratio 2:3. Having its sides in the ratio 2:3. So this is 2, this is 3. I will assume this as 2x, this as 3x. It is in the ratio of 2:3. The area of the land is 1/6 hectares. So area means this full. Area means this full garden. Okay. How to find area in rectangle? How to find area in rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Okay. And if you take this as length, this will be breadth. And if we simplify, this is 3x, this is 2x, and it is given 1/6 hectares. 1/6 hectares. Now this is 6x square, 1/6. X square is 1/36. X value is 1/6. So using this, what is the length? X value we got it. Length is 3x. So 3 into 1/6, it is 1/2 hectares. Length is 1/2 hectares. Now coming to breadth, breadth it is 2x. It is very easy only, so I am not asking any questions to you. It is 1/3 hectares. Breadth is 1/2, 1/3. 1/3 value is lesser than 1/2. 1/3 is a smaller value compared to 1/2. So breadth is smaller value. Okay, they are asking length and breadth of the thing. I will come to this problem little later. Find the largest size of a bamboo that can be placed in a square of area 100 square meter. Square is there. Square means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. And the area, it is S square. Area is given 100 square meter. Area is given 100 square meter. Find the largest size of bamboo that can be placed in A. Inside the square, we have to place the bamboo. Largest means diagonal. This is the maximum possible. This is the maximum possible. Okay, we have to find the diagonal. We have to find the diagonal. So if you take, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle where diagonal equal to square root of s square plus s square. Now from here, s is nothing but 10. In the previous line, we can find s value equal to 10. Now this becomes 100 plus 100, which is square root of 200. So 10 into square root 2. You know the value of square root 2, we studied long back, 1.414. So if you multiply with 10, 14.14, and it is meters. It is meters. Okay. This is meters. 14.14 meters is the answer. 14.14 meters is the answer. Okay. This is about, it is given as a story. Just we have to analyze and come up with the answer. Just we have to analyze and come up with the answer. I am going to next problem. A square park is surrounded by a path of uniform width of 2 meters all around it. I am taking a square. This is the square park. So 2 meter width. Okay, a path is there. 2 meter width, a path is there, completely surrounding the park. This width is 2 meter. This width is 2 meter. This is also 2 meters. This is also 2 meters. This is the path. This is the path. Okay, what I am shading, this is the path present. Okay, surrounding the park. The width is 2 meters. Now, the area of the path is 288 square meter. Area of the path is 288 square meter. Find the perimeter of the park. Perimeter of the park means this one. So we have to find only this portion. Perimeter, only this length of 4 sides. Sum of the 4 sides we have to find. This thick one we have to find. Okay, perimeter we have to find. Now, area of the path is given. Okay. A square park is surrounded by a path of uniform width of 2 meters. All around it, I will assume side as S for the park. Side is S for the park. And if I add 2 meter and 2 meter, okay, 2 meter and 2 meter, this will be S plus 4, this will be S plus 4, this will be S plus 4, outer width S plus 4. Okay. Now if I find the area of park plus path, okay, it is S plus 4 whole square, okay. Area of park alone, it is S square. Now, area of path I want, this is nothing but S plus 4 whole square. I have to subtract S square. Okay. Now this is S square, 8S plus 16 minus S square. This is S, not 85, 8S. Okay. S square gets cancelled. Area of the path they have given 288 square meter. Now 288 minus 16 is 8S. If you subtract 16, this becomes 272 equal to 8S. S value, if you cancel with 8, it becomes 3 times 24 and 4 times 32. Okay. S value is 34. S is nothing but side of park. S is nothing but side of park. What they are asking, perimeter of the park. Okay. So perimeter of the park is nothing but, perimeter of the park is nothing but 4 sides are there. So 4 times S. 4 times S. It is 16,136 meter. Units are meter here. Units are meter here. We are having 4 times S. Only one S is there. So meter is the units. If S square is there, square meter will be the units. Okay. Just we